guys, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and do a Goodwill haul. I went to several Goodwills. My Goodwills are really close together, so if I just go to one, it's like I'm very incomplete and unsatisfied because us girls, we have a shopping problem and we will not admit it. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get right into the haul. The first thing I got was this spec case. It is pretty cool because I got it because it says it's a non-slip for games. The only thing that sucks about it is that, the only thing that's not good about it is that it does not have a back camera view, because some of the games do allow you to use the camera thing and you just like pew pew, you know, shoot stuff. Anywho, this one, let me see where the price is at. It does not say. Anyway, I think I got this one for $2.99 and it's all like taped up or whatnot. It's actually really tight, so very good protected. Then I ended up finding something very surprising. This hard candy makeup thing, jiggers. I don't know. It was for $1.99 and it's practically, well, it is new because it had the little seal on it. Only guys work there, so they don't know how much, you know, makeup is. But this is from Hard Candy, and this one is from the new collection. It's called Birthday Suit, so can't wait to try that. Then I also ended up getting these two makeup items. This one is from Target. It's called Set, and this one was for $1.99. And this one is from CoverGirl. This one is a nude beige, and this one was $2.99. Let me explain it real quick. This Set thing, it says pre-foundation bronzing primer. It looks like this out of the tube, which is like a very bronzing material. I haven't used this, but I am very excited to try it inside my foundation and combine it with my foundation to see how illuminizing it is. But I have tried this, the 3-in-1 CoverGirl foundation. I do have this on my face right now, and I gotta say I am in love with it, and it was sealed and all that good stuff. As you could tell, I did use it twice. And so far I like it. It's $2.99 and I think at the store it's like $10, $11, somewhere around there. I don't know, but I got that. Then I ended up getting this acrylic thing. This one's for $2.99, and I ended up getting it because actually these things slide off, so you could use it any kind of way you want. So like you could customize the things, the little boxes, and I'm very excited because I'm going to start sanding the vanity and paint it a very nice color. I don't even know which color, but I'm going to paint it and it's going to look terrific. Alright, so on to the clothes. The first shirt I got is this Star Wars plain awesomeness tee. It's a regular t-shirt and it has Darth Vader with red roses around it. I did get this off the kids section. The next item, I ended up getting this Forever 21 shirt. Well, it's not a shirt. This Forever 21 long sleeve see-through material. It's not really my style, something that I would wear, but probably if I want to look fancy or whatnot. This one was yellow tag, so it was half off because yellow tag was half off, and it has these little studs and they're glued on. I don't really like that, but the majority of the reasons why I get these kinds of shirts is because I would put a sweater over it and these would pop out, and this, and I thought it would look pretty cool since it has roses on it. The next item is also from Forever 21. It's a white t-shirt and the collar in the front sags down, so it's pretty unique. And this one is from Forever 21 Essentials. I don't know, I guess it's something that whatever. This one does have the tag on. I don't know where the other tag is so you guys can see the price. I think I took it off. But that one has a tag on and it's pretty awesome. Next item I got is this Victoria Sleep Sexiness thing happening top. Just for at night, you know, because not all of us sleep naked. Yeah, and this one is actually new because it has a little tiny plastic tag on the thing. It's the Victoria's Secret tag. And this one was a red tag. So it's just regular price and it's very nice material. Next shirt, it's nothing too fancy about it. It's just a regular t-shirt. It does cover the belly and it has a leather pocket on the side, and that's the majority reason why I got it. And the brand is Yeah, Zena Outfitters. Another Forever 21 shirt. This one I love. This one's like my favorite one. It is crop top sort of. I'm just gonna like slant down so my belly don't show, but it's awesomeness, you guys. It's pure awesomeness. This one is this is a yellow tag and it's from Forever 21, so pretty excited to wear this one day. All right, the next thing I got was some leggings. These leggings are awesome because they're like the very nice material, warm kind, and we're heading into winter, so I'm pretty excited because winter's my favorite time of the year. And it was yellow tag as well, and the brand is Topshop. I heard that brand is pretty popular, so I was very excited to try these on, and they fit me, so that's awesome. Then I got these leggings, well, like yoga pants type of deal. The brand is Ralph Lauren, and it's pretty new, and it's yellow tag as well, and it has, where's the horse? It has that little horse imprint thing. What is it, a pony? A horse? Before you judge, let me just quickly say I have never watched Doctor Who. I tried to watch the first episodes or the first season, and I was like, what the is this? And didn't get, everyone was saying, oh, you're in the wrong season and go to this season. I'm like, then how the hell am I gonna get what the heck is going on? You know what I'm saying? Anywho, if you guys recommend me what season to start and why, I would gladly appreciate it, because obviously I have no life. But anywho, get it? Doctor Who? Anyway, it's from T Fury, and I like it because doesn't that kid look like hot? I would date him if I was a cartoon character. Is that weird? It's probably weird, huh? I don't care, I would. Marry me. And I got another yoga pants because we can never have too much yoga pants when we get fat. So that's the only pants that will ever fit us, you guys. Who's with me? So then this one is from Nike, and this one was orange tag. You know, nothing too special, just tiny type of thing. Nothing too in particular because you know I ain't gonna ever wear that to jog. Then I ended up getting this awesomeness of a t-shirt right here. I also got it off the kids section because we know that I love those. It's just nothing, there's nothing wrong about this shirt, you guys. I would wear it every day. This one is a brand new shirt because it does have that one tag thing here. It's new. It's new. And this one was a pink and orange tag. But isn't this awesome, guys? This is a pretty sick shirt. Then another Forever 21 shirt. This one's this one's a sleeveless white shirt and it has like black on top right here. And it's sleeveless and very wide. I like these kind of shirts. You guys know this. I don't like nothing that my body can't breathe in. And this one is from Forever 21 and it was blue tag. Then the last shirt I got was this one, pretty fresh, nothing too fancy. It's a very light beige brown colors from Apartment 9, and I just love really loose fitted shirts because I have nothing to show and nothing to see for you guys. But it's really nice. I like the back. I like that it has pockets in the front. And this one was purple tag. But so far, I am in love with it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully I do some fashion blog thingy-majiggers because we know I'm a fashionista. But yeah, so thanks for watching and I hope you have a great day. Bye! Ow.